What up, people? Welcome, bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. This is A-Rod A. Millie with another hair transformation, another one. Don't leave, no te vayas. Suscríbete and ring the bell so you can get notified cada vez que yo suba un video. I start by preparing my cliente con un neck strip so he can experience a clean and safe experience. Ya, qué duro. Getting ready for the art of shaving. Yeah, with the one and only, the Millie Blade, the MVP, the shaving gel. Level 3, smooth shave, clean shave, soft skin, para un afeite limpio. Gracias a toda esa gente que está aquí viendo mi video hoy. Thank you everybody that's here today watching this video. I love you guys. It's been a minute. I hope you enjoyed this content. I've been working a lot. If you want to be up to date on everything that A-Rod A. Millie is doing, make sure you follow me on every social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at AROD23PR, AROD23PR. Thank you guys. Love you. The beard is leaving him today. La barba se fue, mi gente. Now I want to present to you my clippers, the Wall family, the best. Mis máquinas de recortar están bien duras. The Wall Pro Balding. The 5-star balding clipper offers barbers and stylists a surgically close cut, making it perfect for a quick, precise, and effortless skin and bald fades. Yeah, look at that. La mejor forma de hacer la primera línea guía calva es con la balding. Subiendo de nivel que no puede ser. Si lo quieres también, te lo digo que yo no sé. Now I'm introducing the ultimate fade clipper, the 5-star magic clip. It's so lightweight, it shaves so close, and that fading blade is sick. Look at that. Let's make this a super skin fade with the 5-star finale, yeah. Providing you a close shave against the grain and bump free. Now I'm gonna be using the razor edger that uses the same cord as the magic clip. Ergonomically designed, lightweight, and very strong, so make sure you cut the cord clutter with this precision barber duo. Shaving against the grain is not a problem with the finale. my client with our level 3 aftershave cologne that provides an instant aftershave relief by moisturizing, hydrating, and refreshing the skin. And it smells real good. Huele a perfume. I'm applying the X texturizing technique, creating a light dense texture on the top. Before applying the blow dryer, I'll be using the LV3 hair serum. It softens, it smooths, and it nourishes your hair. It strengthens and boosts the shine, reduces frizziness and tangling. It helps repair the damaged hair. Oh yeah, so silky, so smooth. I'm gonna be using the hairstyling paste with the matte finish. And improves the volume and the strength, a long-lasting, manageable, firm hold. Yeah, muy bueno para darle fuerza y volumen al estilo. Que lo que. Te lo digo que yo no sé. And to lock the style, I'm gonna be using the LV3 hairspray with the strong hold and long-lasting shine. You can find all the products down below with their links. We have all the accessories for level 3, like the brush, the comb, and the blade. And let's get ready for the full reveal of the haircut. Here we go. Diantre. Oh yeah, I like that. Quedó nuevo. We've reached the end of this video. Hemos llegado al final de este video, and I'm gonna have to let you guys go, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification, so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Let's go. 2021, there's more videos coming. Yeah. This is A-Rod, A-Millie. See you next time. Nos vemos, mi gente, los amo.